I want to thank Pastor Volson Abraham for giving me the opportunity to share the testimony that I have for today. About 9 years ago, when I was 4, my mom and I dropped off Daniel at the elementary school. After he left, I remember telling my mom that I wanted to be saved. From always hearing about Jesus at church and at Sunday school, I knew I needed to be saved and have a personal relationship with Jesus. So like any Christian parent, my mom was overjoyed and prayed the sinner's prayer with me, and I was saved. Then the next time we had service, I told both my apacha and my mom that I wanted to be saved again. So they prayed with me, and I do believe that they tried to explain to me that the day I accepted Jesus into my life, I was saved. I didn't have to keep coming up to every single altar call in order to be saved, just that one. The day I put my faith and trust in Jesus Christ, I was immediately saved. Since then, I was interested in playing the drums, although I couldn't reach the drum pedal at the time. It's a miracle that I can today, though. As my interest was growing, Mom and I both thought that I should play for the church, which was an honor considering how young I was at the time. As time passed, when I was in 7th grade, I had the privilege of running the Christian club at my school, which was started by my brother Daniel. This has been a great honor because I was able to spread the gospel to a wider audience than just to my peers. I praise God that I will be running the Christian club again next year, as well so that the unsaved can hear the gospel and make the decision to follow Jesus, not because of me, but because of Jesus. If he can save a wretched sinner like me, he can save you. And once you have said the sinner's prayer once, you are saved. You don't need to worry about whether or not you are saved or not. The day you ask God to come into your life, you are saved. Again, I want to thank Pastor Volson Abraham for giving me the opportunity and privilege to share my testimony. God bless you all.